At the base of the Manitou Incline, 2,768 steps wait patiently. They don't care why you're here. Maybe you're chasing a personal best. Maybe your friends peer pressured you. Maybe this is your idea of fun. We asked the brave souls climbing it, why?
Just to go out with a couple girlfriends and challenge ourselves to something new, and that's about it.
Vacation from Ohio, and it's we looked at things to do, so it was a little bit of a challenge we noticed, and so we thought we would give it a shot.
Trying to get a good workout.
Yeah, we just looked up things to do. We were looking to go hiking or something, and then we saw this was like a popular attraction. We were like, looks like a challenge, so we're up for a challenge.
I'm trying to work out. I have 3 14ers left, and I want to be in good shape.
This isn't your average hike. So naturally, we had to ask, is this your first time? Or have you made this mistake before?
It's the first time.
Definitely.
Yes.
Yep. Yeah, I've kind of wanted to visit Colorado Springs since I was a teenager, so finally here, finally made it. So, my mother actually used to kind of idolize this place back in the day.
No. I've done it, I don't remember how many times, a bunch of times. Every time I visit here, I like to do it.
No, I've done it a few hundred times, probably over 20 years.
Yeah. All 3 of us.
First time in Manitou Springs. It's beautiful though.
The view is amazing.
Yeah.
I will say that much. This is my first time.
Yes, my first time.
This is your first time?
Mm-hmm. Testing my physical limits.
Oh yeah. Altitude's a real thing, people. If people say altitude doesn't exist, they're wrong.
Fortunately, there are bailouts, not emotional ones, actual trail exits, just in time to give your legs and pride a way out. And if that's not your style, the COG Railway offers altitude without effort. For some, it's part of a training plan. For others, it's questionable decision-making. So we asked, are you training for something? Or is this just your idea of a good time?
No, this, if anything. I've been sober now for almost 90 days. So just wanted to challenge myself to something else new and hike the incline, and been going to the gym for the past couple months. I'm hoping that'll be enough.
Trying to get back in shape for guiding. I'm a mountain guide.
The Maroon Bells, north and south, and then Mount the Holy Cross. So they'll all be pretty committing.
Nope.
No.
Just hike geeks.
We're just regular people, honestly.
Yeah. Trying to get some more endurance, honestly. That's what I've been training for at most, but just trying to stay healthy.
And mostly for bragging rights.
Yeah.
I ran the first part.
Dude, hell yeah.
And then I got like 25%, and I was like, oh, I can't breathe. And then this whole up was just crazy. Mm-hmm. It's a great workout though.
You've climbed nearly 3,000 stairs. At this point, you've earned something. So we asked, what's your post-incline reward?
We got a little cabin in the woods with a hot tub, and probably just grab some pizza and go back and relax.
Lots of eating, ice cream, to eat all day. We'll see.
The basketball game.
We're trying a new wings place, and then the basketball game, the playoff game for the Nuggets.
Probably get a good steak or something.
Good steak?
Yeah. Rebuild those muscles that I'm tearing down right now.
No, the reward is making it up and back, and being just a little bit healthier, I guess. 72, you gotta work pretty hard at stuff.
No, not really. I just like doing hard stuff.
Nice.
Even though if I'm not good at it and it's hard, I find enjoyment in doing it.
Maybe it's about discipline. Maybe it's about the view. Or maybe it's just a socially acceptable way to suffer in public. Whatever the reason, congrats. You did the incline.